Today I would like to introduce a book called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It was written by Roald Dahl. There are 6 main characters in this book. They are Mr. Willy Wonka, Charlie Bucket, and 4 other children. Mr. Wonka is the owner of the chocolate factory. His factory has been closed down for 15 years. He reopens his factory and invites 5 children to come on a tour after they find a golden ticket in a Wonka bar. Very luckily, Charlie gets the golden ticket and goes to the chocolate factory with his Grandpa Joe. In the factory, some accident happens while the 5 children are on the guard tour. For example, greedy Augustus falls into a pool of chocolate. At last, Charlie is the last remaining child. He wins the prize. Mr. Wonka wants Charlie to move into the factory and never see his family again. Charlie turns down Mr. Wonka's offer because he loves his family very much. Mr. Wonka hated his father when he was young because his father never gave him the candies. He wants to make the children happy, so he opens a chocolate factory. Charlie invites Mr. Wonka to have dinner together with his family. Mr. Wonka finally realized how important family can be, so he invites Charlie and his entire family to live with him in the factory together. My favorite character is Charlie Bucket. I like him because he loves his family. He was born in a poor family. He lives in a tiny house together with his parents and 4 grandparents. He has to sleep on a mattress each night. Although he is so poor, he is not greedy. In the end, his family becomes wealthy and lives in the chocolate factory with Mr. Wonka. From this story, I learned that we should not be greedy. We should behave ourselves. If we don't behave well, we will get into trouble, like greedy Augustus. He falls into the pool of chocolate. We should also love our family because the most important things in our life is our family. I would like to recommend this book to you because it's fun to read. It makes me think about what is going to happen next, and the characters are really funny to read about. Thank you very much.